What is going on? Welcome back to the channel. So today is April the 1st. Welcome to Q2. I want to give you a quick pre-market update over some of the hot movers and what big money is focusing on today. Before we get into any of that, make sure to hit that thumbs up. And with that, let's get right to it. So starting off with data points, we did just have some mortgage data. Wasn't really the best. Now this is the third consecutive week of some poor results. So mortgage applications came in at negative 10.4, mortgage market index 278. So it does signal that there's a little bit more of a demand issue. Retail sales came in phenomenal, 0.6 versus 0.3. We do have ISM manufacturing, then ADP. That was supposed to come out, but it seems to be lagging for some reason. But nonetheless, so far, retail sales is doing pretty a-okay. Aside from that though, the market is very hyped up, so we do have a lot of the major indexes very green. So Dow is up 0.66, S&P up 0.77, NASDAQ up 1.07, and that is still because of kind of the market digesting what Trump has stated about he wants to withdraw from Iran. So at the end of the day, pretty good stuff. One thing, as I've mentioned in previous videos, is a good indication if the market is truly believing this or not, is if oil is down and going down. So right now it's down 1.93%, so the market's kind of believing it all in all. So pretty good stuff. Moving on, SoFi is in the green, up 2.1%. Nothing really coming out from them. You see some posts on social media, kind of Anthony reaching out to Elon. Clearly he wants the SpaceX IPO under SoFi. Aside from that though, you have shorts returning about 2,000 shares. 11.5% of the free float is being shorted. Works out to be 145 million shares overall being shorted. Right now with it at 16.18, it is below this R1. So today, just watch for this 15.92 to hold and 16.79 to be that next strong kind of point to get over. NIO up 3.48% because of their monthly numbers. I'm not going to dive deep into this too much, only because I do a dedicated NIO video every day on this actual channel itself. So again, markets kind of digesting that. Aside from all of that though, shorts are increasing about 59,000 shares. 6.73% of the free float is being shorted. Works out to be 137 million shares. So shorts are trying their best to slow the progress of NIO, but clearly the market is very hyped up. Plus NIO also did put out some pretty good numbers. So all in all, good stuff. Couple points to watch for though, with it at 624, it is above all the key fib levels. So 617 is going to be a good support level, followed by 592, and then 682 is going to be the next strong target / resistance. Nike, that is $1 million question, what everyone is trying to digest, if this is a buy the dip type of opportunity, because they put out their earnings. They actually did beat on their top and bottom line, but they did really flop on their future guidance. No, not necessarily the best. Right now, shorts are increasing during the pre-market, 335,000 shares, 3.6% of the free float is being shorted. Works to be 41.9 million shares overall are being shorted. So definitely not the best. One key level to watch for though is 47.36. You really want to watch for Nike to get above that. Realistically, I feel like it will, but that's definitely going to be that kind of make it or break it point. Moving on, BCG, so they are up 57% because of their earnings. There wasn't really any expectations leading into their earnings by analysts or so forth, but from what I can see, things are looking pretty good. Shorts aren't doing anything, but then again, only 1.5% of the free float is being shorted. Works to be 41,000 shares. Right now with it at 307, it is below this pivot point of 330, so that's going to be that key point to get over today. Flip side, 160 is going to be that next strong support. And then last but not least, ticker ONDS, they are up 2.88%. They did put out this news right here. So this is the acquisition completed. That's one thing that really hyped it up over the last couple of trading days, but nonetheless, market's digesting that today. Shorts are returning, so that's always a positive thing. They're returning 123,000 shares. 33.89% of the free float is being shorted. Works out to be 157 million shares overall being shorted. A couple points to watch for though, with it at 929, it is below this pivot point of 963, and then 861 is going to be the next strong support. So just watch for it to get over that 963 over the next couple of trading days. But all in all, today seems to be a pretty good day. Very short video, straight to the point, so hopefully you guys do appreciate that. With all that, let me know which kind of stocks you guys are watching today or whatever else. And then one final thing, pop over to my Patreon if you're looking for some solid buy signals on stocks, options, crypto. Put out daily day trades, numerous swing trades, worthwhile to pop over there and check that out. With all that, appreciate all of you watching.